Chapter 1. Visit your happy place. Being negative is like falling into a dark pit. Sometimes it's hard to get up. Sometimes it is hard to find the way out. But you can do it. There's always a way to pull yourself up. Climb out of the hole. Go to your happy place. Happy places are anchoring experiences. Anchors are heavy. They hold things in place. They keep you from falling. By finding your happy place, you'll steer yourself away from negative feelings. The goal is to move toward positive feelings. Everyone has a different happy place. Think about a fun place you visit. Think about a good memory. Make a list of all these happy thoughts. Pick your favorite experience. The only rule is that you should feel happy when you think about it. This can serve as your happy place. Spend some time remembering every detail of your happy place. Do this in your mind. As you recall the details, live through the memory. Experience the good feelings. Pretend to take a picture with your mind. Store this picture in your head. Whenever you feel negative, visit your happy place. In your mind, start at a corner of the picture. Slowly, bring the picture into focus. Bring it to life. Go through each detail. Take your time. Remember how happy you felt. Imagine yourself soaking in that happiness. Tip: songs are connected to memories. Make a playlist of your favorite songs. Name them by the positive memory.